Smart PDLC glass, also called switchable glass, intelligent glass, or magic glass, which is a kind of high-tech product, can switch from transparent to opaque instantaneously. It is transparent when power on and it is opaque when power off. Light transmission properties can be changed when the voltage is applied. The use of smart PDLC glass can save costs for heating, air conditioning, and lighting. When opaque, liquid crystal, or electric smart glass blocks most ultraviolet rays.
Business applications are endless, including but not limited to corporate office or conference meeting rooms, partition, shop windows or showcases, retail stores, advertising, displays, bank teller counters, train station, airport ticket windows, etc.